Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice exponential equation. X times square root of x is equal to square root of x to the power square root of x. We need to find all possible values of x. We will solve it by two methods, so let's start with method 1. In this method, we write this x times square root of x times, we can write this square root of x as x to the power 1 over 2 is equal to, and we can write this square root of x as x to the power 1 over 2 whole to the power this power square root of x. Now this x has power 1 here, and according to this property of exponents, a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. We add this power 1 in this power 1 over 2 like this. X to the power 1 plus 1 over 2 is equal to, according to this property of exponents, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. We multiply this power 1 over 2 by this power square root of x like this. X to the power 1 over 2 times square root of x over 2. Next, x to the power 1 plus 1 over 2 3 over 2 is equal to x to the power square root of x over 2. Now from here we take a natural log of both sides. ln of x to the power 3 over 2 is equal to ln of x to the power square root of x over 2. Now according to this natural log property, ln of a to the power m is equal to m times ln of a. We can write this ln of x to the power 3 over 2 as 3 over 2 times ln of x is equal to, and we can write this ln of x to the power square root of x over 2 as square root of x over 2 times ln of x. Next, we move this square root of x over 2 times ln of x to the left side. 3 over 2 times ln of x. This positive square root of x over 2 times ln of x becomes negative square root of x over 2 times ln of x is equal to 0. Now as you can see, we can factor out this ln of x. We can factor out this ln of x. So ln of x as a common factor, and in bracket left this 3 over 2 minus this square root of x over 2. In bracket left 3 over 2 minus square root of x over 2 is equal to 0. Now from here, either this expression ln of x is equal to 0, or this expression 3 over 2 minus square root of x over 2 is equal to 0. Now because the base of natural log is e, so we introduce base e on both sides like this. E to the power this ln of x is equal to e to the power this 0, and e to the power ln of x is equal to x is equal to e to the power 0 is 1. This is the first value of x. Now we solve this one. We move this negative square root of x over 2 to the right side. 3 over 2 is equal to, this negative square root of x over 2 becomes positive square root of x over 2. And because in the denominator we have 2, we multiply both sides of this equation by 2. At right side we multiply by 2. And this 2 will be cancelled with this 2. This 2 will be cancelled with this 2. At left side left, 3 is equal to, at right side left, square root of x. And from here we take square of both sides of this equation. And this square will be cancelled with this square root. And we get the second value of x. 3 squared is 9. So we find two solutions of this equation by method 1. Now let's solve this equation by method 2. In this method we write this x times square root of x times square root of x is equal to, we write this square root of x as x to the power 1 over 2 whole to the power this power square root of x. Next, x times square root of x is equal to, according to this property of exponents, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. We multiply this power 1 over 2 by this power square root of x. So this expression becomes x to the power 1 over 2 times the square root of x square root of x over 2. Now from here we take square of both sides of this equation. And according to this property of exponents, a times b whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n times b to the power n. This power 2 will become the power of this x and will become the power of this square root of x. Like this, x to the power 2 times square root of x to the power 2 is equal to, according to this property, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. When we multiply this power square root of x over 2 by this 2 will be cancelled with this 2. And at right side left, x to the power square root of x. Next, this x squared times this square will be cancelled with this square root, and here left x is equal to x to the power square root of x. Next, x squared times x cubed is equal to x to the power square root of x. Now because any power of 1 to the power x is equal to 1, so we conclude that x is equal to 1. This is the first solution. And because the base is same at both sides, at left side the base is x and at right side the base is x, so we can write this square root of x equal to this 3. Square root of x is equal to 3. And from here we take square of both sides of this equation. This square will be cancelled with this square root, and at left side left, x is equal to 3 squared is 9. This is the second solution of this equation. So by using second method we get same values of x as we get by using method 1. Now let's verify these solutions. To verify these solutions we use the original equation, that is x times square root of x is equal to square root of x to the power square root of x. In this equation first we put this value of x1 1. So 1 times square root of 1 is equal to square root of 1 to the power square root of 1. 1 times square root of 1 is 1 is equal to square root of 1 is 1 to the power square root of 1 is 1. And 1 times 1 is equal to 1 to the power 1, 1. You can see that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So it is proved that this value of x1, 1 is a valid solution. Now we verify this second value of x9. We put this value of x9 in this equation. Value of x is 9 times square root of value of x9 is equal to square root of value of x9 to the power square root of value of x9. Next, 9 times square root of 9 is 3 is equal to square root of 9 is 3 to the power square root of this 9 is 3. And 9 times 3 is 27 is equal to 3 to the power 3 is 27. You can see that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So it is proved that this second value of x9 is a valid solution. So these are the two solutions of this equation.